All right, welcome back to another episode of Inside Access Control. I'm excited today to have John King with ICT. He's the U.S. Director of Sales. John, thank you very much for taking the time to join us.
Yeah, thanks, Lee. Nice to be with you.
Absolutely. So why don't we start off with, why don't you introduce the company, yourself, a little bit of background. I know you've been in the industry for a while. The company itself is worldwide and well-known across the world. So would love to just have a little bit of background, maybe some of the key differentiators. That'd be great.
Absolutely. So ICT has been in business since 2002. Our world headquarters is based out of Auckland, New Zealand. Myself, been in the industry for about 12 years. Started in the truck, installing different systems, wiring different systems, worked my way up into sales for a specific integrator here in Minnesota, and then transitioned over to ICT and been here for about 5 years.
Very cool. So as far as ICT, give us a little bit of background on the technology itself, verticals that you focus on. What's some of the key differentiators?
So as I mentioned, ICT has been in business since 2002. We are a little bit different than most access control manufacturers, being that we manufacture all of our own hardware and develop our own software internally. We do that out of our world headquarters in Auckland, New Zealand. As far as our U.S. entity is concerned, we are based in Denver, Colorado. What really separates us from the massive amount of access control products out there is we have this tagline. It's called one solution equals maximum value. And looking from an integrator's perspective, we can have a multitude of different products, right? An entry-level system, a medium level, an enterprise level solution. And for a set integrator, they could be 2, 3, 4, even 5 different products that you have to train your technicians on, support, train your salespeople on, and how to engineer those jobs and sell those, and so on and so forth. And really, our value proposition is that our hardware is the same, whether we're doing one door all the way to a million doors, whether we're in the cloud or browser. So it's really easy for an integrator to standardize on one company, one product, and train their entire staff, and that's really all they need to know.
Very good. And as far as the setup of the system in that, is it cloud-based, client-server-based? What's the architecture like?
So we do have 3 different offerings. The first is Protege WX. That is our browser-based solution. So everything resides on the controller, does up to 128 doors, 500 intrusion points. Really is meant for that 1 to 20 door single site application. The second product that we have is our cloud-based offering, and that is obviously multi-site. Cloud solution comes with some RMR fees. So if you want to get into that game, we can also be that guy for you. And then we also do have Protege GX, which is our enterprise level solution, server-based, can be a virtual machine in the cloud, have all of those certifications for you. And that's really unlimited scalability there.
Very good. So a lot of flexibility. So on that, if we talk a little bit about today and now, with everything that's going on, businesses are impacted everywhere. If we look at this from as we get out, there's some phase changes that have been happening anyways, whether it's mobile, and we talk about managed services, cloud-based. Now everybody's got fever detection. There's a whole lot of stuff that's happening now, I guess. But from your business and how you all see it, where are some of those areas of impact that I think as we come out of this will be either accelerated, positive sort of return?
So before the COVID-19 pandemic happened, we were seeing an increase in your mobile credential that we have within our system. And I really think that once we come out of that, you'll start to see more of a contactless access into one's facilities. Furthermore, with some of our mustering and so on, we can actually do area counting and loitering and so on. And now, we can only allow so many people into a room and so on and so forth based on maybe some of these new guidelines that may come out.
Definitely see that. There's some of these things that have historically been, call it unsexy stuff in our business, like mustering and that are getting like a rebirth on that end. So as you all are growing and you're going after the marketplace, is there anything that you're looking for, anything that you need now?
So as far as ICT USA is concerned, we've really been in the U.S. market for about 6 to 7 years, and we're really in the integrator acquisition mode. So we're starting to go through more distribution partners and so on and so forth. We have customers from one door to many thousands of doors. But if I were to say what we're looking for mostly is some good partners to resell our products and enjoy the ride that we're on.
Wonderful. And if people want to get a hold of you and find out more to have that conversation, where do they go?
Yeah, they can go to www.ict.co, and that's our website there. They can put in a contact form, or you can email me at jking@ict.co.
Wonderful. Well, I really appreciate it. Thanks for taking the time. I know things are busy right now, and I look forward to having the ongoing conversation and seeing how you all grow. So thank you.
Great.